Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Webull. First, you will download the app and open your account online, a process that typically takes about 1 business day. You will need to provide personal identification and financial information. Once approved, you can easily fund your account using various methods like bank transfers with a minimum deposit of $0. Navigating Webull is straightforward with its intuitive interface. You can easily find stocks, exchange-traded funds, and other assets using the search bar or by browsing the market section. Customize your layout and create watch lists to monitor your favorite investments, helping you stay organized and informed about market movements. When placing trades, Webull offers various order types to suit your strategy. You can use a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify your desired price. Easily buy or sell whole shares or even fractional shares. For risk management, set up stop loss and take profit orders to automatically close positions at predetermined price points. Webull provides advanced features for more experienced traders. Utilize sophisticated charting tools with over 60 indicators and 20 drawing tools for in-depth analysis. Explore options trading with various strategies or consider a margin account, which can offer up to 4 times leverage for day trades, though it involves increased risk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.